I'm Emma and I study Accounting and Finance with professional placement year at the University of Bristol.
My name's Harry and I am a final year Accounting and Finance with professional placement student.
I did my placement at a firm called Hazelwoods in Cheltenham. I worked in both their corporate finance and legal teams who specialise in accounting for the legal sector. Before my placement, I didn't really know about all of the different areas within accounting. But on placement, I got to see what these areas are and how they all work together, which has given me a much better understanding. I got to experience such a variety of work within both the teams that I worked in. I'd highly recommend looking for a placement that offers some kind of rotation between teams if you can.
I did my placement year with Thomas Westcott Chartered Accountants in Exeter. Really enjoyed working alongside people who would spend years working in the industry and learning firsthand from them. I didn't sort of feel like I was an intern there. I did sort of feel like I was working as part of the team.
After I graduate, I want to get an audit graduate role and study towards my ACA qualifications to become a qualified accountant. I think my course will help me to secure my future career because of the experience that I've gained on my placement.
Getting the exposure to the real life sort of side of what I had learned in the first 2 years, not just learning from a textbook.
If you're not 100% sure what you want to do after you graduate, it gives you the opportunity to try something before you commit to your graduate role. Most firms offer graduate roles to the majority of their placement students. So if you find a placement at somewhere you want to work after university, it can really set you up for that. If not, it gives you a lot of relevant experience to talk about during your interviews.
I've been applying to graduate roles in audit. I really enjoyed the sort of topics I worked on during my placement year, and that's kind of really helped me to decide that I want to continue going down that path once I finish uni.
I would strongly recommend doing a placement for anyone who can. I think it's an invaluable experience.